Right, so this one's going to work the same way. We're going to take that denominator right there, 8x plus 7. I don't care about the numerator, okay? If it had an x in it, I wouldn't care. I don't care that it's 34, if it's big or small or negative, doesn't matter. I just need to focus on the denominator, and I know that it cannot equal 0. So that's the main objective here, is that I need to solve for the value of x that would make it 0, so I know what value to exclude from the domain. So principles of equality will still apply here. So I'm going to subtract 7 from both sides to 0 that out. I can drop my 8x, which now does not equal negative 7. And then the last step here to finish off this inequality is to divide both sides by 8. So that would make 1x. I'm going to make it a phantom 1x, but negative 7 divided by 8, I'm just going to make it the fraction negative 7/8 right there. So as long as x is not negative 7/8, then we're in good shape on this one. So, but again, how do we exclude that from the domain? Well, we could go ahead and put this into set builder notation. So that would be x such that x cannot equal negative 7/8, then close with fancy brackets. So that would be set builder notation. But if I wanted to put this in interval notation, which I will do, then I would need a number line, something like this. I'll just put the negative 7/8 right in the middle. So that puts 0 here to the right. And for negative 7/8, then we would have an open circle, but everything to the left of negative 7/8 would be in the domain, and also everything to the right of negative 7/8 would be in the domain. So I have that, and now I'm ready to write that just from the graph. I'm ready to write the interval. So that would be the green goes from negative infinity, but it stops at the negative 7/8. And of course, negative infinity is not included. Negative 7/8 is not as well because it's an open circle. Then I will unite this with the orange line, which also starts at negative 7/8, but not included. So we got a parentheses there. There's a negative. And that goes all the way to infinity to the right. So that's my interval right here, and then you got set builder notation. On the homework, it just may ask for what value is excluded. In that case, you just type in negative 7/8.